what people struggle with when they first start reconciling. What do you think is the hardest thing to overcome?
Um, that's a hard question. It probably depends on the situation, but one of the things that I would say is, let's see, I'd probably say opening up again.
Mm,
Um, I think it can be difficult for a spouse who, and it really goes whether you've been the wayward one or you've been the standing one. In both instances, I mean, in many, many, many cases, the wayward spouse, at least part of the reason they've been wayward is because they tried to open up before and couldn't. And they found someone who would listen, who was not in the marriage. So it doesn't really matter, but getting to the place where it's building trust back. Um,
mm,
and that's why we teach that the first step is ease, is just
yep.
getting a foundation where we can talk to one another again and remind ourselves, like, okay, this is a good person, like we can go places, we can enjoy our time together. There are things about him that are attractive, and all of that makes it a little bit easier to discuss some of the hard things and take, because it feels like a leap of faith to go back to opening yourself up and giving your heart back to
Mhm.
someone who's hurt you. And that can be whether you're the standing or the wayward.